on a call, and I just showed them the video, the horse.
Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, hi guys, it's 3 Streets 42. I'm on my way home from work in this shitty fucking traffic. Traffic's actually not that bad today. I'm just being a little bitch about it because it got warm today and here I am in full leathers and melting. So I got a little good news. I had not gotten my tax returns for this year, and turns out that they owe me some money. So with that money, I may be able to move up getting my street triple. In which case, that would be pretty fucking awesome. So I was going to call the dealership today, but of course they're closed on Mondays. Fucking neutral. So about the KLR, the bike I'm on now, it's not a bad bike. It really isn't. Like, just for putting around town, if that's what you want to do, that's fine. A lot of people, you know, take them off-road, and that's fine too. I'm not really an off-road guy, or at least nowhere near as much as I thought I might be. So I've been pretty much trying to convert this bike into a road bike, and you know, getting around town is fine, but once you get up on the interstate, you really just have no power whatsoever. You know, my next set of upgrades for this bike before I decided on getting a new one was going to be braided lines, you know, basically an upgraded brake package all around, because the brakes on this thing suck, and I'll show you why. The fuck are you slowing down? Motherfucker, dude. Ain't that some shit? Now, I'm sure there's a few things I could have done better in that video, like, you know, pay more attention. She's not totally at fault or anything like that. I just wish she would have committed. And, you know, had I been on my street triple, I wouldn't have had that fucking problem, because the brakes are much fucking better. Whereas the brakes on this bike are fucking squishy. They suck. They're horrible. See, I don't know if you've ever locked up the brakes on a bike, but I gotta tell you, it's kind of fucking scary. I mean, the rear's not so bad, whatever, just stay upright and you'll kind of skid. But the front, that's some scary shit. Come on, bitch, stop playing with your hair. I'd mentioned in one of my previous videos that I want to do basically an idiot rundown, but everybody's suddenly being nice and driving normal. Either that or I've just gone blind. So I really don't have enough material to put together like a full video of people driving like idiots. So that's gonna wait until I've got enough footage to, you know, fill up a few minutes at least. But I will get that up as soon as I have the footage for it. I've got a few things, but nothing that's substantial enough to really make a video out of. So I will get there when I can. But that's it for me, guys. Take it easy.